In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up footprint charts inside of GoCharting. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step, what we need to do is go ahead and open up a chart. I'm going to use BTC USDT for this. So now from here, we can open the chart menu. So click onto charts and then find the list of available charts and click onto cluster. Choosing cluster, if you're using a free version, you might be able to use it, but if you are using a paid plan, you're not going to get this pop up. So if I click on maybe later, sometimes you can use it for free, sometimes you can't. Now basically these cluster charts are footprint charts, so they just basically referred as cluster charts. Now once you selected that, go ahead and wait for your chart to update. Now, instead of a single candle, each bar will now display trading activity at every price level inside the candle. Now, each footprint bar is going to contain flow information, which includes bid volume traded at each price, ask volume traded at each price, buying and selling pressure throughout the candle, areas where buyers or sellers become more aggressive, and the overall volume distribution within each candle. Now, this is going to give you much more detailed than a standard candlestick chart and helps reveal what's inside every price move.